Drones of Muramasa Group is using FPV drones in dark conditions, and more, on a road of death, destroying vehicles one after another. Drones have significantly reshaped the war in Ukraine, affecting tactics and strategy on both sides. Ukraine has deployed a variety of drones, from small commercial models to larger military-grade drones like the Bayraktar TB2. These drones have allowed Ukrainian forces to conduct precise strikes and gather vital intelligence, effectively leveling the playing field against Russia's more substantial air power. The conflict has seen an evolution in drone technology and usage. Early in the war, larger drones were prominent, but as Russian air defenses improved, Ukraine shifted to smaller, more agile drones. These smaller drones are less detectable and cheaper, often acquired through crowdfunding and modified for military use. Additionally, both Ukraine and Russia have used long-range drones to target infrastructure deep within each other's territories, demonstrating drones' strategic value beyond the immediate battlefield. Electronic warfare has also become crucial, with both sides employing systems to jam drone signals and disrupt operations. This has led to a technological arms race, with drone operators continually adapting to overcome these defenses. Overall, drones have transformed how the war is fought, highlighting their importance in modern and future conflicts. In the Ukraine conflict, drones have emerged as a pivotal anti-tank weapon, significantly impacting traditional armored warfare dynamics. Ukrainian forces have increasingly relied on inexpensive first-person view FPV drones rigged with explosives to target and disable Russian tanks. These drones offer several advantages. They are cost-effective, easily deployable, and capable of precise strikes on tanks' vulnerable spots, such as the rear exhausts or fuel tanks, which can immobilize or destroy the vehicle with high efficiency. The success of these drones in tank warfare is partly due to their ability to operate beyond the line of sight, allowing operators to guide them to concealed or moving targets with great accuracy. This capability has forced both Ukrainian and Russian forces to adapt, with efforts to develop countermeasures like electronic jammers and improvised armor, though with mixed results. Despite their effectiveness, these kamikaze drones require highly skilled operators and often need to work in tandem with other weapon systems, such as artillery, to achieve complete tank destruction. This integrated approach has been crucial in maximizing their impact on the battlefield. Overall, drones have not only transformed anti-tank strategies, but have also underscored the evolving nature of modern warfare, where technology and adaptability play increasingly critical roles. Destruction of a Russian T-80 tank in the Kharkiv region by Special Unit Omega of the National Guard. The T-80 tank holds a significant role in the Russian army, especially evident in the ongoing conflict in Ukraine. Originally developed in the 1970s, the T-80 features a gas turbine engine that provides exceptional speed and maneuverability, making it well-suited for rapid, aggressive maneuvers across diverse terrains. Despite these advantages, the T-80 has faced criticism for its high fuel consumption and maintenance demands. In the Ukraine conflict, the T-80 has been utilized extensively, albeit with mixed results. The tank's speed and firepower have proven advantageous in open field battles. Yet its vulnerabilities, such as susceptibility to anti-tank missiles and issues with its autoloader system, have been starkly highlighted. Many T-80s have been lost to Ukrainian forces equipped with modern anti-tank weaponry, underscoring the challenges faced by even advanced tanks in contemporary warfare. Russia has attempted to mitigate these vulnerabilities by upgrading the T-80 to the T-80 BVM standard, enhancing its armor and fire control systems to better withstand modern threats. These upgrades are part of Russia's broader strategy to reinforce its armored divisions. if I used to simply despise these people, Ukrainians. If you can call them that, then now I absolutely hate them. They are not humans, and what they do is not human-like. The Russian occupier is indignant. His army came to kill peaceful people, and Ukrainians gathered and began to kill the invaders on their land.
Это был мой первый накат после госпиталя. Опять мной командовал командир штурма 4-й бригады Шустрый. Задача стояла, разведкой боя, выявить, откуда запускаются FPV-дроны. Вот, потому что клещи, слава богу, наши. Вот, но враг не дает нам спокойно двигаться. Работают FPV, работают сбросники. Вот. Я должен был дойти до наших ребят, которые на самой крайней позиции находятся. Мы шли двойками с интервалом 50 метров. Вот. Не дали дойти, прям совсем чуть-чуть. По открытке пришлось идти, я не знаю сколько. Командиры говорили метров 600, то мне показалось, что там километров 1,5, честное слово. Но у страха глаза велики. Вот. Но у меня один глаз не открывается, поэтому может и правда 600. Вот, в результате, как бы, нам удалось, сработали, во-первых, они установили ракетницы, вот, они на нас сработали. Как только ракетницы сработали, полетели FPV, вот, на данный момент, я могу ошибаться, но по мне, по-моему, 4 FPV сработало, и 8 сбросов было. Вот, ну еще работала минометка, но она как бы у них косорылая, поэтому как бы они, слава богу, не попали. А вот FPV, да, ребят, это... То есть, если 14 декабря там же в Клещах работали очень много кассетных боеприпасов, то сейчас я могу с уверенностью сказать, что у наших оппонентов, у немцев закончились как бы, ну не в таком количестве есть уже кассетные боеприпасы, но и FPV-дронов, товарищи, у них неимоверное количество. Вот. Вы знаете, победа будет за нами, безусловно, и быть добру, безусловно. Но если этих людей, если их так можно назвать, раньше просто презирал, то теперь я их катастрофически ненавижу. Это не люди, и то, что они делают, людскими поступками не назвать.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.